Here are some unnecessary cinematic clips which are not required for this tutorial, but anyways, here they are. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to stick the stickers on your object or any surfaces. So let's get started. This is the splash screen of Blender 4.5.1 version. So first of all, select the general file. Now I will turn on the screencast keys so you can see what's going on the keyboard. I will remove these objects because I don't need them. First of all, let's add a mesh called icosphere. This will act as a sticking surface. Now to add the sticker, we will go to image and add it as a mesh plane. Select your sticker, like in this case it's this Pink Panther, which is kind of like my spirit animal. I would recommend you to select the PNG format of this image. Let me show you in the material preview. So yeah, now let me show you what's going on in the shader editor. So PNG image will have alpha value, which will have this data. The white part will be visible and the black part will be transparent. So if you remove the alpha, it will not be transparent anymore. Now go to edit mode and subdivide this plane into maximum times, so it's 10 in this. Now select the unwanted faces. I will hold Alt and Shift to select the perimeter like this along the edges, and this one too. Press X and delete the faces. So we have our sticker, but the geometry is still not enough. So I will add subdivisions modifier from the modifier tab. Select the subdivision surface, set it to simple and increase the divisions by 4. Now I will add shrink wrap modifier. From modifier tab, in the deform, we will select shrink wrap. I will set the project wrap method to project. This will help us control it more. So I will set the target to icosphere because we want to stick it to this sphere. Now nothing happened. This is because if I turn the face orientation, you will see the below part is red. This shows the negative or inverted normals. So what you have to do is turn off the positive and check the negative button. And as you can see, the sticker is on our surface, but there's a problem. It's this white clipping. This clipping is because the sticker and the mesh of icosphere is on the same level. So what you will need to do is offset our sticker a little bit. I will select the sticker, and under the shrink wrap there is offset value, which I will set to 0.1. It's too much. Let me set it to 0.001. Alright, this is perfect. Now you can move it along the surface, but the problem is if we move the sticker out of the area of the sphere, the sticker is unstick. So if I try to move, you can see it is getting unstick. To fix this, what you have to do is turn on snapping. So let me first of all disable the shrink wrap modifier so you can see what's going on. Under the snapping options, set snap base to center and snap target to face. Also check the align rotation to target. What this will do is stick our surface and align its rotation according to the face of the object. Now if I enable the shrink wrap modifier, the sticker will stick perfectly wherever you want. You can see this bit of problem. This is because the sticker is going inside the mesh and sticking on the inside of the surface. So to fix this, you just have to move it along the local Z direction and it will be okay. Now you can stick as many stickers as many you want. Scale it, rotate it, whatever you want. And of course you can use other modifiers like displace modifier with clouds or noise texture to add these small little bumps and irregularities. This will only add to its realism. Also you can play with these material values like adding normal or roughness map or displacement map, which will make it look more lifelike. So obviously these little imperfections will be seen. I have created some simple scenes like this one using the same method of subdivision and shrink wrap modifier. This is the pot scene. This one is the guitar scene. Disabling the shrink wrap modifier, you can see how I have applied the sticker. Also this apple scene. Using shrink wrap modifier and subdivision, I have created these scenes by using models from Polyheaven. I will link them down in the description, so check them out. I know I have been inconsistent, but here's what I'm willing to do. Comment down your suggestion and I will model it in my next video. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do like it if you like it. See you in the next.